In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make curve table with a curve drawer on it. Okay, first of all, we have to make the basic shape with a rotated rectangle anyway. We have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can start from this origin. So then we can set the length around 1500 millimeter for the length, and for the height it's around 600 millimeter. Okay, you can see this about the shape of the basic shape of the table. So then we have to push it up. We can use push tool, and then we can push it up until it's around 750 millimeter, just like this. Okay, and after that we can just click this plane, and then we can select offset. We can offset it around 30 millimeter, or maybe it just 20 millimeter. it, I think it's enough. So then we can push it to the back until 550 millimeter only. Okay, so you can see this for the basic shape of the table. So then we can make it group, and then we can just draw the rectangle over there. We can draw this rectangle, and then we can um I'm sorry, I will repeat it. Okay, we have to make a curve corner on this top position anyway. We can use a 2-point arc. Okay, we can use 2-point arc, and then we can make the tape measure tool to make sure that we can make the another curve of the corner with the same elevation anyway. So then we have to make the 2-point arc over there also. Okay, so we can double click on it, and then we can push it to the limit to release this unnecessary object. Okay, so then we have pushed it to the back just like this. We can erase it, and then we can just click this plane, and then we can offset it inside around 20 millimeter for same width just now, and then we can push it to the back around 550 millimeter only. It's enough. So then we have to make it group anyway, and then we can make the rectangle over there. We can make the rectangle from this position with the rectangle tool anyway. So then we have to push it up around 20 millimeter. We can make it group, and we can move and place on this position anyway. We can uh, move from the bottom position around 500 millimeter, just something like this. Okay, so you can see about the curve to make a drawer for upcoming step. Okay, so then we have to click this plane, this back plane anyway. You can see it, and then we can make the line over there to separate this plane with from the top and the bottom surfaces. So we have to select this top surface on this position. You can see it. Okay, so then we can just click edit, copy, and then we can just paste in place. Okay, so it will be appear with the same surface size and position to make the to make the cover of the drawer over there. Okay, so you can see this, and then um, we can separate it anyway. We can separate it just like this. Then we can erase some unnecessary line first. We can erase it. So then we can push it to the back around 20 millimeter, or push it to the front. It's depend on you, and then we can just make it group, and then we can make a rectangle over there and place until this then we can place this midpoint anyway. We have to search the midpoint of it anyway. Okay, we have until we found the midpoint, so we can make the rectangle, and then we can push it up. Just push it until this position only, not until this position, and then we can offset it inside around 20 millimeter on also, and then we can select it. Okay, we can select it. We can draw the line over there, and after that we can push it to the down until 80 millimeter. Okay, so then we have to click this plane, and then we can push it up. Okay, we can push it up until this position anyway. We can just make it group, and then we can move it to the front. We can move it to the forward. Okay, we can move it forward, and okay, and then we can uh, just make it group anyway. We can just make it group, and maybe we can make this small handle over there with okay, sorry. Okay, we can make the small handle over there. We have to push it to the back, just something like this, and then maybe we can select this line, and then we can move it to the down position to make sure that we can pull it to the forward to open this drawer and close this drawer easily. Okay, so then we have to make component, create, so then we can just move and press to the right side anyway, so then we can flip it along with the green axis anyway, so then we can move and place on this position, and then we can move it until the limit of this front table anyway. Okay, or maybe we can make the another shelf over there. We can make this shelf to add some function about this free space to okay, and then we can make the some support, and obviously it's about the shelf, vertical shelf over there. Okay, maybe just something like this, so it will be a useful space on this um, table anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video, and maybe we can just add this material with the synthetic surfaces or many more. And okay, I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.